Good morning, Mom. My name is Cinderella Elacion. Call me Sandy as my nickname. I am 36 years old. I have two children. The age is 14 years old and 6 years old. I have work experience in Kuwait for 2 years. I am taking care of baby there for the age is 9 years old, 7 years old, 6 years old, and 2 years old. I know how to take care of toddlers, feeding the baby, cleaning the bottles of the baby, giving milk. I know how to cook Arabic food. I know how to clean the house, clean the area, clean the washing, all the dishes, washing clothes, car wash the car. I know anything, Mom. If you choose me, I will learn to make your food as you want to make. Everything you want, Madam, I will make for you. And I am gladly and happy to see you soon, Madam. To meet you also. Thank you. I am willing to learn the food that you want me to make for you, Madam, and to your family. And if you choose me, Madam, you will not regret. And I thank you. God bless.